Installing an SXM5 GPU board assembly. Make sure you have a Torx T15 head screwdriver, an alcohol cleaning pad, phase change material, and an SR675 V3 water loop service kit to perform this task. To remove the SXM5 GPU board assembly from the packaging, hold the long sides of the SXM5 GPU board assembly with two hands while removing the new SXM5 GPU board assembly from the packaging. When the SXM5 GPU board assembly has been removed from the plastic protective bag, hold the handles with both hands to move the SXM5 GPU board assembly. Hold the SXM5 GPU board assembly handles and align the SXM5 GPU board assembly with the two guide pins on the GPU tray, and then gently place the SXM5 GPU board assembly into the GPU tray. Fasten the 7 Phillips No. 1 screws on the SXM5 GPU board assembly. Fasten the two T15 screws on the SXM5 GPU board assembly. Install the following components. Refer to the videos in the playlist for each component's replacement procedures. Install the top cover.